We interrupt our programming. Emergency action notification has been activated. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the central government to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air, providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is Tetra Connect. We will continue to serve the Royal Road area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Royal Road area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency action notification has been activated. Please stand by, please stand by, please stand by. The following message is transmitted at the request of the ARC central government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Today at 4:16 p.m. a state of emergency was declared by the Supreme Commander of the ARC. An unknown rapture force was declared present at the Missiles Military Research Center and several other locations in the surrounding areas. To all residents of all ARC areas, leave all your personal belongings. Take a battery-powered radio and only essential supplies with you. Do not remain in your homes. Seek shelter at your nearest militarized zone outside the state of Missiles Military Research Center and await further instructions. If you cannot find your nearest evacuation route, seek assistance from local authorities immediately. Stay tuned to local media outlets for further information on this ongoing emergency.